What's going on, fellas? I'm going to use this 2006 Ford Crown Vic to show you how to change your brake lights as well as your third brake light. So starting with the left and the right brake light, you're going to open the trunk, pull some of this cover out of the way, and there are a total of 3 nuts for you to remove. There's one right here, here, and deeper in the back there. Now, I believe they are 11 or 12 millimeter. If you know, let me know, because I'm not sure exactly what size they are. But with the 3 nuts removed, you can grab this assembly and kind of pull it towards you. It can only come so far because of the wiring, so you don't want to just try to rip it out. Now, looking here, you can see that's where the 3 nuts go. And one thing to note on installing it, you've got to line that plastic stud up. It goes in that hole right there. But as far as removing the bulbs, you rotate these counterclockwise, they'll come right out. These are both 3157, and so they do the brake lights, the parking lights. You can just pull the bulb out. And what I recommend doing is, before you install the new bulb, inspect the inside, inspect the contacts, and check for corrosion. If it's not too heavily corroded, you can clean it. And apply some dielectric grease to prevent corrosion from coming back. And to install the new bulbs, you just push the socket in the housing and then rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. And from there, it's just a simple matter of putting the assembly back into position and reinstalling those 3 nuts right there. Now, as far as the third brake light goes, we've got to get to that one from inside the car. All you'll need for this is a Phillips screwdriver. On either side, there's a Phillips screw for you to remove. I've removed the one on the passenger side already. So you just pull that out, the one on the other side, and then you can kind of grab this whole assembly and it will come out in a way. So when it's pulled out like that, you just got to push in on these retaining tabs. You can kind of reach in and squeeze them. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. You can see there's one right there. Kind of just pops out. And the bulb is a 921. There's actually 2 bulbs in here. So there we go. These are a 921. So you change the bulb and then it just clicks back in. You can see these are the tabs that retain it right there. So yeah, I hope this info was helpful for you guys. Please be sure to let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice. And I do have another video about checking the fuses and the brake light switch for this car. So be sure to check that out if the bulbs are fine, but you're still having an issue with the brake lights not coming on. Yeah, thanks for watching.